Hi everybody, Princess and the Bear here, and we're gonna go race some cars.
Yeah.
Sort of. On rails.
Tomorrowland Speedway.
Tomorrowland Speedway.
I call it Autotopia because that's what's called Disneyland.
Even I call it Autotopia, and I've never ridden it before.
This will be Bear's first time.
My first time for everything. Hopefully I don't wreck or flip or destroy this.
You're not allowed to, and it's on a track.
You're not allowed to, but I can wreck anything.
It's true.
It's very true.
He's wrecked like 10 cars.
11 now?
That's bad.
It's a lot, but I'm alive. That's what matters, right?
That's a story for another day.
But did you die? So we're gonna check it out, and we'll see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl. And here we go. Finally a car I can wreck.
It's so slow compared to what I remember.
Don't text and drive, kids. Yeah. Oh, it's just as hard as driving a real car. I can't drive for crap. Maybe I just should have the princess drive me.
Okay, I'm not driving in a straight line.
So here we are coming up on the Tron construction.
So slow.
And the people mover on this nice Saturday drive. Bouncing off the lanes. Soon, instead of just cars, you'll be racing on motorcycles beneath a glow-in-the-dark canopy. Hopefully much better than I drive. Woo. Bad. There goes the princess way over there. I don't think we're catching up with her.
I don't know what I'm doing with my life.
This is not as easy as it looks.
Wait, this race though.
There we go. Now I think we got it. Or maybe we don't. Who needs to go straight anyway, right? Drift off. There goes the princess as we try to chase her down on the long stretch. Can't miss those ears anywhere. We're making a play for it. We can still catch her. Maybe we can't. She's probably just checking her ears. We got time. Let's do this. And another left turn. Speeding past Dumbo. Apparently rubbing is not racing here. Ooh.
Horrible. So horrible.
I'm probably cheated.
I didn't cheat.
Yeah, I mean,
I didn't cheat.
you got a head start. That it was kind of not fair. It's sort of cheating.
It's not cheating.
It's sort of cheating. Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we just finished at Tomorrowland Speedway.
Yeah, it was a lot slower than I remember.
Yeah, I mean, well, I've never been on it, but it felt kind of slow. It was still fun though. More fun than it had any right to be.
Yeah, I think if you were like super drunk, it would be really fun.
Yeah, hopefully my color commentary wasn't too bad. I still think she cheated.
I didn't cheat.
She cheats.
They just let me go first.
Cheats.
And the cars were so slow. It's not like you can catch up like you used to be able to.
Yeah.
They definitely slowed them down.
But it's a nice little diversion.
It's fun.
I mean, it was fun driving on the wrong side of the car for a change, but you know.
It's fun for kids.
It's fun for kids. Definitely, if you get away below 30 minutes, take because this weight has jumped while we've been standing here.
It just went from 25 to 65 to back to 25.
It's all over the place. So if it looks long when you walk by, just wait a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Over here by the planners, and it'll probably go down again. It's really, really short. But have you guys words? Have you guys ridden Tomorrowland Speedway? What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. What is your favorite ride in Tomorrowland? It's probably not this one, but hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and we will see you soon.
Sure, subscribe.
You heard the girl.
I'll fix it later. This feels so weird. My slip is like all the way up my... Okay. Now I'm good. I'm a wreck.